What does each STEM-SIMS module include? STEM-SIMS are organized in modules. At the heart of all modules is a simulation or virtual laboratory. Many simulations emulate high-tech tools rarely found in traditional classrooms, such as mass spectrometers. Over half of all simulations require users to apply engineering design practices and present activities that are too dangerous, too costly, or just about impossible to complete in a normal classroom. All modules also contain the following: a challenge. The module challenge sets the stage describing the overarching purpose of the module. For instance, in the erosion control module, users are challenged to protect a basketball court from a hillside that is likely to erode and damage the court. Planning and carrying out investigations. Once the challenge is understood, some users will complete this plan stating how they'll address the challenge by describing their research question, methods, and data analysis techniques. A brochure. Each module contains one brochure used to engage users in the topic of study. All brochures begin with 5 interest-building questions, an at-home activity to be completed before or after the formal lessons, and a brief reading passage. Background section. Each module contains a background section that has short text presentations on key concepts critical to understanding the lesson content. Critical vocabulary terms are also defined for users. Walkthrough video. A short video is presented that shows users how to use the simulator. Lessons. Most modules have between 2 to 15 lessons associated with that module. One lesson within every module is a pure inquiry lesson where users create, conduct, analyze, and report on the way they address the module challenge. Modules also have guided lessons that provide step-by-step directions, pre-made data tables, and narrative questions for students to answer. Assessments. Each lesson has between 8 to 20 item multiple-choice tests associated with that lesson. The multiple-choice test is always auto-graded, and the results are reported to each user and the teacher. Many assessment items mirror those that students will likely encounter in high-stakes proficiency assessment instruments. Teacher's Guide. Every lesson has an accompanying teacher guide that provides tips for teaching, estimated time to complete, lesson keywords, and the standards addressed in the lesson. The guide also provides answers to all questions and assessment items presented within the lesson.